Xtools Pro is one of the most popular extensions for ArcGIS desktop end users. In this video, we will demonstrate a practical example of using the Xtools Pro Domain Manager tool. Attribute domains in ArcGIS are rules that describe the legal values of a field. Domains are used to constrain the values allowed in any particular attribute. And this may help ensure data integrity by limiting the choice of values for a particular field. In ArcGIS, all work with domains is performed with Catalog or ArcCatalog. Here you can create new domains, edit and remove domains, etc. At that, the standard approach has certain limitations and shortages. The dialog window and its parts are not resizable, so you have to scroll back and forth all the time. There is no way to easily import or export domains. And what's more important, especially if you have more than just a few domains, there is simply no way to find required domain and to see where it's used and if it's used at all. As you can see, working with domains in ArcGIS using standard capabilities is not always handy and efficient. In order to address these issues and provide a better way to work with domains, there is Domain Manager, provided with Xtools Pro. It can be opened from the toolbar. In this case, you'll be asked to select a geodatabase, or from the Geodatabase context menu in the Catalog window. Domain Manager is represented with a modern resizable dialog window with all available domains listed on the left and all properties given on the right side panel. Functionality of Domain Manager will be demonstrated on the example of Montgomery Geodatabase created by Esri using a database schema similar to that of the city of Montgomery, Alabama. The data is wholly fictitious and has nothing to do with the actual city of Montgomery. First, let's explore what domains have been created in the geodatabase and what are the properties. As there are quite a few domains available, we can narrow down the list using filters. We can filter out unnecessary domains just by the names, or we can use the advanced form with multiple filters. Now let's create a new coded values domain and set its properties: name, description, type, and policy. As for code values, we will import them from the existing table. For that, we press on the Import button, and in the new dialog, select the table from disk, select Value, and Description fields. In our case, as this is a new domain, it doesn't matter if we use Append or Replace as Update option. Let's use Replace and press OK. In addition to the filters with standard properties, there is a special predefined filter allowing to show domains with errors. This can be any kind of errors. Using this filter, you can easily find all such domains and either fix errors or remove domains. Now let's see how domains can be exported and imported back to the geodatabases in use. Now let's review one of the most interesting advantages. The Domain Manager allows to see usage of the selected domain. You can easily see where and how it's actually used. For that, select one of the domains and press the Usage button in the upper right corner. A pull-down window will appear populated with the feature classes and attribute fields associated with the selected domain. Press the OK button in the lower left corner to save changes. You can also close the Domain Manager window at any time. If there are any changes, you will be suggested to either discard changes and close the dialog, or get back to Save Changes and Close window. Concluding the video, the Domain Manager tool provides following advantages to Xtools Pro users: handy management of all geodatabase domains in one window. You can easily find out where selected domain is used and with what feature classes associated. Domains export, import. Domains filtering by names and properties. Search for domains with errors. Xtools Pro is the #1 productivity suite for ArcGIS community. Visit our website to learn more and try Xtools Pro free for 14 days.